I'm going to teach you how to make a quick and easy carbonara in around 15 minutes. Perfect for those days where you're craving some nice tasty carbs and don't feel like spending an arm and a leg down at the local takeaway. So you're going to need some pork of some type, some bacon, pancetta or guanciale, a shit ton of salt, an egg, a single serve portion of pasta, some garlic which is completely optional, some black pepper and some Parmesan cheese. Now I want you to go ahead and fang that salt in the boiling water. Once that's in, go ahead and bang your pasta in. Chop your pork meat into bite-sized pieces. Remember, the pieces should shrink a little bit. Go ahead and mince or finely chop your garlic. Yeah, I know, I stuffed this shit up. Now, break your egg into a bowl. You want to grate some of that Parmesan cheese into the egg mix and go ahead and beat it silly. Whilst you're watching me mix stuff, I'd like to thank you legends for your support over 2022. Unfortunately, I didn't hit the weekly videos as I intended. I'm hopeful that 2023 is going to give me more opportunity to create more content for you all. Now, bang your bacon in the pan. Remember to cook it as long as you can, as it will not cook any further once you add the pasta in. When your pasta's ready, make sure to take a cup of the pasta water as we'll need that later. The bacon should be nice and crispy. Take the strained pasta and add that to the cooking bacon. Go ahead and pull your pan off the heating element. This way when you add your egg, you won't end up with scrambled eggs. Add in half of your egg and cheese mix. Stir that in, adding a little bit of the pasta water. Forgot to film that bit. Add the final half of your egg and cheese mixture. Add pasta water to get your desired thickness. Your time in the kitchen is finally paid off. Plate this up, grate some additional Parmesan cheese, and crack some additional pepper on as you like. Give this one a go, make sure you let me know how you went in the comments. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time I cook dinner.